Hey guys, welcome back again to One Love's Kitchen. Guess what? My baby's outside in the cold. He's grilling up a storm. What are you grilling, baby?
I'm doing a lot of stuff. I'm doing some corn, some jerk chicken, some ribs, some carrot, some Irish. Carrot here, some
Sweet potato.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm
Pretty
cold.
much.
I'm not going. I'm at the door. I'm staying far. I'm very cold.
Yeah, it's really cold out here, but
As you can see, it's
You know.
very, very cold.
yeah, you work in the winter. I got a wine for you too. In the cold.
Oh, shoot.
So that's for you for later.
Oh, yeah? Really?
Put it back in the cold.
Yeah.
Go right up too.
Okay.
Let me read
Okay.
it. Keep it cool.
Okay.
We in the fridge right here. Fridge
Okay.
temperature.
Alrighty, guys. There you
I
go.
don't think we're getting some snow too. It's falling, isn't it? A little
Yeah,
bit.
it is.
I think it's gonna fall today though.
Yes, baby.
It's nice.
He's
I mean,
grilling it up.
We work in the cold. We have to cook in the cold. We have to eat in the cold. You know. So
Right?
you know it is already.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We got a lot of stuff. And in the kitchen.
Yeah, he's doing crab and lobster in the kitchen, so we're gonna take you in.
Yeah, we're gonna put it on the grill too after.
Oh, you're doing the lobster on the grill?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is nice.
Yes.
Two more coffee. Bam.
Bam. So guys, we're in the snow chicken. It's so cold. It's so cold. So you see, we have our lobster, our crabs. He's on the grill with chicken and ribs. And oh, the wine is here beside the grill. What we have else, baby? What else? Because I'm cold.
Pretty much it. Can't you come for it? Alright, shoot up the camera. Bam bam. Couple of good stuff on the grill. We got the corn here. Gone steaming up. Some paprika on it and little salt, little black pepper. Simmer down. Then you got the lobster. We're gonna grill them. We got the crab. We're gonna put it on top. Cover it with the foil paper. We're getting the job done.
Okay. So guys, as you can see, it's very
Very
cold,
cold.
very cold, but we're
Very
loving
cold.
it. We're loving
And
it.
you
We
know
love
what?
the food.
Make you put the wine in the ice in the meantime. Oh, she's done. So tough.
Okay.
All right.
Alrighty guys, so this is the finished product. Hubby's finished cooking, grilling outside. So we just have the ribs here, some pita bread there, grilled lobster, grilled chicken, some carrot and potatoes, and some fried plantain, some sweet corn, and of course the crab legs. Yes. Baby, you have anything to say before we leave?
I'm the chef of the day.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else?
One Love Kitchen.
Okay.
Like, share, or subscribe.
And comment. Very nice.
Comment, I hit the notification bell.
Very
And I'm
nice.
drinking some
From what?
lemonade.
Oh, really?
From what?